Ian Sneed with Southern Boating. I'm standing on the all-new Four Winns H33, another vessel that we just went on and absolutely loved. The ride was so smooth that we were surprised when they told us that the Seakeeper 2 was not on the entire time. Which, yes, this vessel does come with the Seakeeper 2. Now, it comes with twin Mercury outboards, but also all of the features here, it's massive amounts of storage, and this is electrically actuated. The swim platforms on either side are electrically actuated. Everything on here is made for convenience and safety. It's incredible. Once you enter this kind of cockpit space here, this galley is actually optional, and it comes with seating all around for a larger entertainment area. But if you do opt for the galley here, you get a grill, you get a sink, you get storage space. It's absolutely wonderful. There's a fridge right below the helm, or captain's chair at the helm. You have joystick control. You have, again, optional bow thruster. You have a co-captain's chair with an optional third screen here. Chargers for your phones. All throughout, you have JL audio, mood lighting. Over to starboard, you actually have a cabin space. And to port, you have a head. And then as you continue to move forward, you can see that we have shade here. The bow area is essentially a sun pad galore. There's plenty of space for multiple people to lay out, enjoy the sun, or to socialize because, again, it's set up for comfort and safety. If you want to know more about this vessel, make sure to click the link on the description. And if you want more content like this, click subscribe and leave a comment and let us know what features you're looking for in the vessel.